Hello everyone, welcome to Morenchi, and in today's video we are going to check Sansui M7030 mouse, which is available at 584 on Flipkart. This is dual connectivity mouse with option of USB connector with 2.4 GHz frequency and a support to Bluetooth 5.0. This is universally compatible mouse with just plug and play connection. It also provides a 6-button option, which is very good in this particular price range. Also, it comes with advanced optical sensor, precision scrolling, and support over 2 million clicks. So without any further ado, let's start with the unboxing. So we have received our package from Flipkart. So let's open it. Once you open the outer package, you will get the box with mouse itself. Highlight of this mouse are reliable wireless connectivity, excellent battery life, and plug and play utility. Model number is M7030. On sides we can see specifications like Bluetooth connectivity, transmission distance as 10 meter, ergonomic design, DPI, and 6 buttons options. On other side we can see the support, that is Bluetooth 5.0 and normal USB connectivity, and support for both Mac and Windows OS. So let's open the box. Once we open the packet, we get a mouse wrapped in bubble wrap, some documentation, so let's take out the mouse. So we have documentation, battery, and a mouse. Let's check the documentation. It is a simple single page leaflet like documentation with the instruction how to operate the mouse. The battery is wrapped in a cover, so let's take it out. It's good that the manufacturers are providing battery with the mouse so that anyone who purchases it can directly start using it by inserting the batteries. So this is our mouse, Sansui branding at top. Scroll wheel is really good. Feedback from button is really good. We have some texture on the side and also 2 buttons for forward and backward. At the back we see Sansui branding with model number. We have on off button, and that's it. Feel is very good for this mouse. It really hold good, and ergonomically also it's very good. Let's take out the back portion. So we can see there is a compartment for battery and also a compartment to keep the USB receiver, which is hold with a magnet at that particular place. So let's insert the battery. Let's align with the plus minus sign correctly. Yep. And let's put back the cover. That's it. Let's start it. So blinking light shows that it's on and ready to use. Now let's head towards laptop to see how to pair it with our device. So let's pair it with our MacBook. So we will be primarily using the Bluetooth option. So just go to the Bluetooth preferences and let's check out our mouse. So just start it again, and at the top you can see the blue light is blinking, which shows that currently mouse is in Bluetooth mode. At the back you can see that MacBook has detected the mouse. Just connect it. It's connected, and that's it. So simple. Now we will be using our mouse to operate. So it's very smooth in operation. So let's check out same process on screen for more clarity. So here we are on our Mac screen. let's go to the Bluetooth option and let's turn off the Bluetooth from our device, that is Sansui mouse. It's detected. Let's connect it, and it's connected, right? So now we are operating with our Sansui mouse. So scrolling is good, no issue. Let's open one article. So yep, scrolling is good, no issue observed. So let's check out the side buttons for forward and backward motion. Nope, both buttons are not working on MacBook. So let's head towards Windows. This is our Windows laptop and we have connected with USB option. As you can see, it's really detected, and now mouse is functioning. So within a seconds the mouse is started functioning. So let's open one article on our site. Yep, so good. So let's check out the scrolling, and I can say the scrolling is really smooth, better than the Mac OS. Let's check out the side buttons. Yep, back is working fine. Yep, good. So back and forward buttons are working fine, as you can see on screen on Windows laptop. So this mouse is fully functional on Windows laptop as compared to Mac OS. So let's check out the Bluetooth option as well. So open the Bluetooth settings and add a Bluetooth device, and make sure that you are switching the Bluetooth option on the mouse as well with the top button. As soon as you do that, yep, the mouse is detected by the laptop. Select it and it's connecting, and that's it, it's connected. Good. So now all the actions we are performing are via the mouse, and you can see the battery percentage from the mouse is also shown here, so which is a plus point. So let's test it. So back to our page. Scrolling is smooth, no issue. Let's check out the side buttons. Back, yeah. Let's go again. Yep. So all 6 buttons of Sansui mouse are operational on Windows laptop, whereas we have seen that the forward and backward button are not operational on MacBook. So just to recap, this particular mouse is the best option in budget category. It provides both Bluetooth and USB connectivity option, and it is compatible with Mac as well as Windows OS. But out of the box, side buttons work best with Windows laptop only. So that's it for today's video. If you are happy with the content, do hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Jai Hind.